With the way that computers and technology work, there's usually more than one way to do something. So right now we're going to connect to the server. I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can connect to the server. So you should have a little blue icon in your dock that says Digital Networks Home. If I double click that, I accidentally did it twice, it's going to connect to the server. Notice that two icons appeared on my desktop. That means I connected twice, and that's why I see both of them. So once you see this icon appear, you'll see that I have this folder of information. So this is information I've put on a server, what we call a server. It's just a container holding information. Now, just so you know, this server is read-only, which means that you can come over here and create a new folder. You can't. It's read-only. You can copy and paste things from the server, but you cannot. You can't manipulate or change these items on the server. So there's more than one way to do things, like I said. So another way that you can get to the server, because sometimes this goes missing, it just disappears for some reason, you want to go to your Finder, your two-face, and you're going to go to Go and then Connect to Server. And if you don't see the address here, it's on your lab guide, but usually you'll also see it in like recently connected servers. And then you're going to hit Connect, and then you'll see that icon again. It says, do you want to mount it to your desktop? Yes. And then the third way to connect to the server, the one that I use commonly, is the shortcut. So if I hold down the Command key plus K, so I'll do that right now, Command K, then I can also connect to the server. So you're going to connect to the server, and I want you to navigate and look around. First, I wanted to show you this stock folder, and in the stock folder is a ton of great resources for you, specifically for Photoshop. There's brushes and patterns and shapes and actions that you can, and we'll learn a little bit more. There's some free fonts that you could use to add different fonts. Under stock resources, you'll see that there's tons of like vector files and photo files, and these are pretty high quality. They were bought from Shutterstock. So these are all resources for you that you can get in the server. But mostly you're going to be going to the one that says Photo. So I'm going to double click on that. And then I'm going to go to the folder that says Computer Technology. And what I'm going to do is click and drag that into my first last name photo folder. And you'll see a little progress bar here and here. And that means that it's transferring all that data onto my desktop folder. It's making a copy of that folder. All right, and now you have the folder that you need to continue to do the rest of the exercises.